and welcome to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, today I'm back out on the farm and I'm working on this Holden Astra. Guys, this part that we're replacing today is a super common issue on the Holden Astra. That ranges from 00 to 08. It's the coil pack. These cars are developed for European countries, so usually they're not really used to this hot climate in Australia. They're used to colder countries such as Europe, you know, New Zealand, all that sort of area, guys. So that's pretty much the reason these break down prematurely. Now, if you do need this part, we do have them available here at Parts Factory Australia. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video. I do have a storm rolling in nice and fast, which is kind of stressing me out. So sorry if I'm stuttering and mixing up my words. Guys, we're going to whip this coil pack off, throw the new one on, and hopefully start her up. Happy days. Now, guys, I will let you know, this one's not going to start today. It is a wrecking yard car. There's things removed from it that's going to stop it from happening. But my job here today, guys, is to show you how to get the job done. That way you can do it on your car and save yourself some money. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory Australia. Alrighty, guys, let's jump into it. Guys, now before we get started, obviously, if you're going to replace the coil pack, you need one to replace it with. So I just wanted to quickly show you the Parts Factory one. If I can get this box open. And pop it out. And voila. So guys, this is the one from Parts Factory Australia. If you do need it, they are free express post anywhere in Australia, $118.30. And guess what, guys? 3-year warranty. That's going to beat any other auto parts supplier warranty. Pretty much it's as far as I've ever seen in my life. So guys, if you need it, jump onto the website. To get there, you just click on the title of the video, the description will pop down, and yeah, click on the link, and yeah, get one on its way to you. And of course, use this video to learn how to install it. Alrighty guys, let's pull out the old one. Alrighty guys, in order to access the coil pack, you do need to remove this cover. Now, a lot of people will tell you got to pull these little Torx bits off the top. It's not true. That's actually just these bolts. Most of the time, it's not a Velcro setup though. They're a little rubber grommet, guys. So just be aware of that. But yeah, you pull them off just like so. Then you can just press this tab, pop that plug out like so. And then these are little E-bits. But if you don't have E-bits, you could just use an 8mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And once you've cracked them, hopefully you can come in and just turn them with your hand. Now, as I was saying before, guys, these coil packs are usually perished because of all of the heat cycles they go through. Obviously, hot summer day, they can get up to probably 80 degrees under this bonnet, if not more. And yeah, of course, often the either the electrical part of the coil pack will break down, or it'll actually just end up being rubber components that stop it from insulating properly, and that can also cause a total coil pack failure as well. Now, often you'll see either one of these snapped off, or it'll be covered in oil. So we want to try and avoid snapping them off as we pull them up. But as you can see, these ones aren't too bad. I would probably say this car would run fine. But yeah, you might have some oil down there, or you might have to get one of these out of those cylinders. You can use a pair of pointy nose pliers. But guys, as you can see, from that point, you can just grab your new coil pack and pop it down into that hole nice and easy. Look at that. As you can see, it's a little bit more pretty. And then yeah, chuck your 5 bolts back in, plug back on, and start her up. You're good to go. Guys, I'm actually not going to put this beautiful new coil pack in this car. As you can imagine, I'm going to basically reinstall the old one. This car is obviously going to be, this is the end of its life, so it's not going to be going back onto the roads, guys. So we can just pretend that this is the new one, obviously sticking it back down into the hole, and then you can just use your 5 E-bit bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tightening them all down nicely. Guys, if you do have a little rattle gun, just keep in mind that if you over tighten this kind of thing, then you will cause damage to the coil pack. So just bear that in mind when tightening down. Guys, once you get to the end of the threads, you can then just tighten down. Again, they don't have to be too tight. I've actually noticed that this one's actually cracked down the end here. And then be very gentle with these plugs. They actually can be quite brittle. Nice and easy. Click it in. You should hear that audible click. And then of course the final step is to reinstall our cover. Guys, depending on the design, I have seen 3 different designs of these engine covers. Yeah, so they are usually just clip off though, so just bear that in mind. But other than that, guys, that is coil pack installed. Alrighty guys, I hope everything has gone nice and smooth. The new coil pack's in, and at this point now, you have started up your car and she's running as intended. Guys, if you have appreciated this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of content on cars such as these ones. If you are trying to save yourself some money and do DIY repairs on your own cars in the future, guys, you know where to come back to in order to get your DIY instructions. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My name's Lucas, thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.